Up, guys? Now I'm teaching you guys how to do Emma's avatar in Brookhaven. Before we do this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to Roblox. Bang, bang, bang. Ping, ping, ping. Oh, yeah, I played the strongest battleground. Okay, then. Don't look at my avatar. 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 Don't. Wait, I'm not a dragon. Wait. Oh, wait. That's my avatar. New avatar. That's my real avatar. Look. See? Oh, the hair is not real, but now that's real. Let's go show how to do Emma's avatar first. Go here, of course. Nah. Go here and go to the body section and collect that. Good boy, I'm doing it. Now, now let's go to the skin color. Pick the second one. Okay. So let's look for Emma's shirt. Before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now I'm seeing it. Now I know he's 11. 06. I'm thinking. No, I'm just thinking in my paper. I'm just, I'm just, I'm just, I'm looking at the paper with no lights. 90099 1827. Oh, we got Emma's shirt. No, wait, do we need to do this? Now, let's go to the face and scroll down till you see the face. Wait, bro, I think I see it. Scroll down till you see this face. Where is that face at? Another face, guys, another face. I'm good at this. Scroll down till you see. Bro, where is it at? Okay, wait. What is it at? But where is it at? Listen, we cannot see it. I think I'm not good at it? I think this is I don't know if this is it. Let's look for. Is this it? Let's use. Let's see if that's it. Wait, do we need to get my normal size? For sure, that's it. That's it. That's it. No nice. That's it. First, if you're big like me, you have the legs minus it. Like, is that okay? I think that's okay. Let's see if we're look. Oh yeah, this is good. That's good. That's good. Let's now take more. More. I'm moving my paper. And now I realize it's here for 8. I think this is the punch. Surely, bro. I'm thinking a lot if I'm moving on my paper. I wish this is it. Let's go. Look at our pants. Okay, we're not sleepy at all. Bro, we're using. Bro, why are we using girl avatar? Accidentally. Whew. Brown. Brown. Fairy. Bro. Whew. Hmm. Oh, wait. Pink. Bo- Where is that? Bro. I think we need to watch on video. Let's watch on video. I'll watch on video. Nah, I'll watch on video. I'll pause this for a while. I'll pause this for at least. Let me pause this. Did I pause it? Oh yeah, wait. Huh? I never searched that, but I think.
Ready to enjoy more chicken choice moments?
Wait, I think I'm cheating because I'm.
In today's video, I will show you how to make Emma's rope.
I'll skip it all the way. Yeah.
that we have all of her avatar's clothes next, we need to find Emma's hair in the hair section. Okay, so I found her hair, and all we need to do to get it is search.
Let's I don't know that's pig. At least I just copy one. Let me make that. Oh, you can give game pass. No, let me say this because I don't have mushroom pass. Wait, look at this. Give premium to 484 your boy. Bro, is this a rule for begging? I think it's I don't care. Oh, brown. Then pig. Pig. Moose. Let's go.
Ang ingay mo ba ito na yung video mo? Sobrang ingay mo talaga.
Oh, let's go. This is how to make Emma's character in Roblox Brookhaven. Bye guys. Ba't naman nanonood? Hindi ko pala po.